everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Game Pass games on your Xbox Series X. And there's a couple different ways that you can do this. If you already have something downloaded, you can go to My Games and Apps and go to See All. And if they're installed, you should be able to find it just under here. Now, if they're not installed, we can go down to Full Library right here and go to the right. And we can go to like Games with Gold right here and see if we can download those specific monthly games. Otherwise, we can go over to Xbox Game Pass and we can select them under here. So I don't have any games under there. But if we go to the top, to the right of the store, we have Game Pass as an option. We can select this. And this will give us access to all the different games for Game Pass that we can look at. So there could be like monthly games or games that are coming and going to Game Pass on the top. So coming to Game Pass, join to play day one. These specific games looks like Black Ops 6. It says I already own this. I don't know if that's true, but I was playing Call of Duty Warzone earlier, so I doubt I actually have that bought. And then we got some deals right here. Save up to 80% on some of these Game Pass games right here. But we can see Phoenix Point, State of Decay, Just Vibes. We can scroll on down. Here's recently added. Other games that are new that we probably looked over already. But we can go to these and start playing. And we can press options on it. And we can add it to a group or something like that if we are trying to play it later on. And then here are coming to Game Pass. These are games that are going to be added eventually. So, Age of Mythology. Is that like Age of Empires? That'd be fun to play. And then we can manage games right here by adding them to this. So I want to play 2042. All right, so we can go back here. So depending on the level of Game Pass you have, will depend on how much of the games you have access to. So if you have like the Ultimate or like the Base Edition or something like that, you might not be having access to all these games, just the monthly games on the top. So here's Game Pass membership benefits. So just scroll through here and see if there's anything you want, but this is how you can find all your games to download and see what is available for you to play. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.